Tired of fumbling for your credit card every time you shop online? Let's explore how you can potentially use the speed and convenience of Apple Pay within the Google Chrome browser. First, the good news: Apple Pay can work on Chrome, but only on macOS devices like MacBooks and iMacs. This is because it relies on the secure enclave within your Apple device. Make sure you've already set up Apple Pay on your iPhone or iPad, or directly on your Mac in System Preferences under Wallet and Apple Pay. This is where you add your cards and enable the service. Next, in Chrome, go to Settings, then Autofill, and finally Payment Methods. Ensure Allow Sites to check if you have payment methods saved is toggled on. This allows websites to detect if you have Apple Pay enabled. Now, when you're on an e-commerce site, look for the Apple Pay logo during checkout. Not all sites support it, so this is crucial. If you see it, select Apple Pay and your Mac will prompt you to authenticate the purchase using Touch ID or your password. It is that simple. After authenticating, your payment information is securely transmitted, and your order is placed. You'll see a confirmation screen, just like with any other payment method. Keep in mind, Apple Pay on Chrome is currently limited to macOS. If you're on Windows or Android, you'll need to explore alternative payment options or use Safari on iOS devices for the native Apple Pay experience. So, while not universally available on Chrome, leveraging Apple Pay on your Mac can indeed enhance your online payment options and streamline your shopping experience.